techies, welcome back to Elfin channel. And there's a very good update which is coming from the Apple side. So Apple is now in talk with Google to bring some of the generative AI feature from Gemini, and they might be developing their own LLM model and some of the AI feature which they might be pushing it along with their iOS 18. But a talk with Google to bring some of the Gen AI feature from Gemini is something which is being seen as a very good advancement and much needed push to Gemini product as well. Though Google has already tested some of the features in their upcoming Pixel phone on this generative AI Gemini, as well as they are also in talk with Samsung to push some of the Gen AI feature to their Samsung latest releases like S24 and all. Hopefully we will be able to see a lot of new thing which is coming out from the Apple side along with the Google, and I'll be sharing, once I have the update on this talk. Thank you.